Okay, and it's on.
Yay.
Shall I read the first one?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you are taking a sample size of 5 or n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is skewed? So 5 is right skewed, sorry. So is it skewed right?
I think so.
I have no idea.
We'll talk
I
about
picked
it.
skewed right because
I'm sorry, I came in late. Are we just on question 3?
yeah.
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 Okay. So I had skewed right.
That's what I think too.
So it has to be more 30 or more to be able to be a normal distribution.
Yeah.
Perfect. So we'll go with skewed right. Okay.
I'll read the next one.
Okay.
When you are taking a sample size of 100, what is the shape of the distribution in this histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
Is that
That'll be
normal?
normal then?
Yes.
Okay, it's my turn, right?
Sure.
We're taking a sample size of n equals 5. What is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed?
Normal as well?
That's
Yeah.
what I would think.
Yes.
Okay, number 6, when you are taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? And so that one again would be normal.
That's what I
Yeah.
would assume.
Yeah, that's what I assume. Just 'cause- Okay, so when would the distribution of means be normally distributed?
I think it will be all of them except for the third one.
That's
Yeah,
what
the
I
sample.
would have thought.
That is small.
Are we good to go on to the next one?
Mhm.
So
Whose
did
turn is
everyone
it?
check everything but the third?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't know whose turn it is. Do you want me to just read?
Sure. I just read last, so whoever it is.
Oh. Okay, well, I'll just read. Which of the following best or gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem? One, if the parent population from which is drawn is normally distributed, then the sample mean x will follow a normal distribution. B, for bell-shaped data, approximately 68% of the data will be within one standard deviation of the mean. Yeah, so it's just the 68, 95, 99 rule. If the sample size is large, the sample mean x will be close to the population mean. I think that's the one, right? And
if the sample, I think it's the last one actually. If the sample size is large, I don't know though. Shape of the distribution.
well, because if the sample size is very large, because the sample is a smaller portion of the population, wouldn't it be fairly accurate? Like, because when they do like statistical studies, they'll say like 1 out of 5 people in the world do this, and they can assume that because their sample size is large enough, right?
But this is just the definition of the central limit theorem.
Yeah.
So I thought it was the fourth one.
Yeah.
I think the third one is that other one, the large law of large numbers.
Yeah.
I think is
Oh.
the definition for the third one, which is
Oh,
confusing to me
okay.
because I feel like
They're very similar.
large. Yeah, they are.
Okay, so they're both
And I kept reading them and
true.
reading them, trying to figure it out.
All right. So they're both true.
Yeah,
just
they're
one
both
is-
different. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, I think just
That's what it
one
is.
is the definition of that
Okay.
theorem.
I think it's, I don't know whose turn it is.
I'll read next. Let X be a random variable with population mean equaling 10 and population standard deviation equaling 6. Suppose the sample size is 36. 36 is drawn from the population. What is the mean of the distribution of sample means?
Wouldn't it still be 10?
Because it just says that,
That's
or
what I think.
I mean, I could be wrong. I don't know.
No, well, I'm just curious what, like,
But I was
the
just
question.
thinking that would make sense just because the sample size is larger. It's above
Mhm.
30. And so the population mean would be very similar to the sample mean, right?
As far I couldn't really tell a difference between
Yeah,
the,
and that's kind of the definition of that.
Okay, so it's 10?
Sure, sounds good.
Okay, the next one. What is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means? And that one would be using that formula of, I'm not good with those terms, but the
The one we used last time.
population standard deviation is 6 divided by the square root of n, which is 36. So you'd end up with 6 over 6 equals 1.
1.
yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
I think it's your turn, Angie.
Do you think we just put 1 or does it have to be 1.0 or
I think it would
1
just
should
be
be fine.
1?
Yeah.
Mhm.
I'll read next.
Okay.
Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, so greater than 30, what would be the shape or distribution of the distribution of sample mean?
Normal, right?
Normal.
Normal.
I feel like they're just asking the same question over and over again in different ways.
Hoping to trick us.
All right. So this would be similar to, let's see, what is that? The sample size is large, the shape the distribution means will be approximately normal. So that is the central one, right? Or the central limit. theorem?
That's what I would
That's what
think.
I think.
Central limit?
Yeah,
That's what I think.
because large numbers would mean that the sample mean
Yeah.
are the same. Okay, I'll go submit it and I'll let you guys know if we're good.
Great.
It's an easy one today. I feel like it's fast.
Yeah, that was fast.
Literally 13 minutes.
13 minutes.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, yeah, I guess it's the end of our meeting.
Oh, it's all good?
Yeah, we got 100%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't
I'll
know
put-
who it was that
Oh.
sent me the picture of the homework or what I thought was the homework. Who was it?
That was me.
Okay. I was just
You're like
wondering. Thanks for sending it, but I did not. I finally got my link to work and that I didn't see those same questions. So I was wondering, do we all get the same questions or was that?
Maybe you were looking at the prep because there's
I
the
think
prep
she was.
and the homework.
I was thinking the same thing when we were texting this morning. I was like, I think she means individual prep homework, but
Yeah, that's why I asked whether it was a prep or
yeah.
the homework.
Well, maybe I have been missing something because I read the textbook, I do the preparation assignment that has the answer key, and then we do our group quiz, and then there's an individual quiz following.
Yeah,
And
there's
there's something else.
there's a homework you do before the individual quiz.
Yeah.
I thought the homework
Okay.
was the preparation assignment that has more than 6 questions.
Yeah, there's two of them. There's the prep and then
And
there's
then
the
he gives us
homework.
the answer key.
Uh-huh.
He gives us an answer
Sorry,
to
guys.
both of them.
Or oh no. Are
I
you good
just
to
want
go?
to see where that is because I haven't seen that.
You can go.
Okay,
Um,
thank you. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye. It's
Bye.
just above the homework quiz.
Yeah, it's about the homework quiz.